Hey folks, thanks for joining me. In this lesson, we will learn what the pre-tag can do in HTML. So let's create here a pre-tag. Inside the pre-tag, let's write a few sentences. We can see here the white spaces are not ignored and the texts are showing without distorting any lines. If we break here the text lines or push the texts forth, the same thing can be rendered in the web browser. Let's Google what is pre-tag in HTML. Here we can see the pre-HTML element represents pre-formatted text which is to be presented exactly as written in the HTML file. Yes, this is right because we saw the texts were showing us in the HTML file. The text is typically rendered using a non-proportional or monospaced font. This means the text will be rendered in a non-proportional or monospaced font. It is just describing the type of font. Anyway, hope you guys got it. White space inside this element is displayed as written. As I said before, the white space will be shown in the web browser. That's it. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Thanks for watching and stay technically sound.